How to increase the followers on your Facebook profile without promotion, without posting more, literally with these simple steps. First, you're going to go to your Facebook account and you're going to try to find a video that potentially has gone viral or has gotten more likes than usual, because this would just make your job easier. So as I'm scrolling through, I'm going to select a video that I saw today that has 146 likes. I'm going to click on the likes, and then all the way on the top, it shows you all the people that liked your post. Now, this works only on videos, not on Reels, so make sure you're clicking on a video. Now, I have the option to invite all those people that liked my post to follow my page, and they're going to receive a notification. Whenever they accept, I usually get a notification that shows that they accepted my invite to follow my account, because these people maybe forgot to follow my account. And this is how I grow my followers organically, of course, with the content strategy that I use as well, but by just reminding these people that, hey, if you really like my post, hit a follow button. Follow for more tutorials. Did you know this tip? Comment below.